Imagine a world where the canvas of the sky dances with colors, where mountains touch the heavens and oceans harbor unexplored mysteries. Welcome to a world that surpasses the grandeur of our wildest dreams, a world crafted by the unyielding forces of nature herself. From the farthest reaches of the cosmos to the intricate details of a single leaf, nature's majesty is unrivaled. It's a symphony of elements, a ballet of seasons, a canvas painted with the most vibrant of colors. Yet, beyond the familiar lies the extraordinary, the offbeat wonders that remain lesser known, yet no less breathtaking. There's a certain allure to the unbeaten path, to the corners of the world that remain untouched and unspoiled. Places where the air is still crisp, where the stars shine a little brighter, where the silence is only broken by the rustle of leaves or the distant call of a lone bird. These are the places that inspire, that captivate, that remind us of the raw, untamed beauty of our planet. Imagine standing on the edge of an ancient volcano, feeling the Earth's pulse beneath your feet. Picture yourself exploring a verdant rainforest, each step revealing a new, hidden wonder. Visualize sailing through crystal-clear waters, surrounded by towering limestone cliffs. Or perhaps you'd find peace under the ethereal glow of the northern lights, a celestial ballet unfolding right before your eyes. Each of these places tells a unique story, a tale of resilience, a saga of evolution, a chronicle of the Earth's ceaseless metamorphosis. And each story is a testament to the enduring magic of nature, a magic that beckons us, intrigues us, and leaves us yearning for more. So, are you ready to step off the beaten path? Are you prepared to witness the grandeur of the Earth as you've never seen it before? The world is waiting, teeming with secrets and wonders just waiting to be discovered. Join us as we embark on a journey, discovering the breathtaking and lesser-known natural wonders of our planet. And deep in South America, where life thrives in every nook and cranny, lies the Amazon rainforest. This vast expanse of green is often referred to as the lungs of our planet, breathing in carbon dioxide and exhaling oxygen. It's a place where the air is thick with life, and the sounds of nature echo in a symphony of biodiversity. The Amazon is not just a rainforest, but a world unto itself, with its mighty river snaking through its heart, brimming with an array of aquatic life. It is the source of 1/5 of the world's fresh water and is home to an astonishing 4,000 species of birds and countless species of insects and mammals. For the intrepid traveler, the Amazon offers an immersive experience unlike any other. Imagine waking to the chorus of howler monkeys, navigating the river's labyrinthine tributaries, or marveling at the iridescent plumage of a scarlet macaw. But the Amazon is more than a travel destination. It's a lifeline for our planet, a vital bulwark against climate change. Its preservation is crucial, for it is the caretaker of our planet's health and a living testament to the raw and untamed beauty of our world. The Amazon rainforest, a testament to the raw and untamed beauty of our world. In the heart of Vietnam, dragons descend to the earth, creating a seascape of limestone pillars. Welcome to Ha Long Bay. This isn't just a bay, it's a testament to the power of nature and the magic of folklore. Picture a body of water spanning over 1,500 square kilometers, studded with nearly 2,000 islets. Each of these islets is a majestic limestone monument, sculpted over millions of years by the hands of nature. As you glide through these emerald waters, you're not just sailing, you're traversing through a mythical story. A story in which dragons, sent by the gods, spat out jewels and jade that turned into the islands and islets dotting the bay, forming a formidable fortress against invaders. This seascape isn't just visually stunning, it's a biological treasure trove, housing diverse ecosystems within its caves and grottos. From stalactites hanging down like nature's chandeliers to the echoing chambers telling tales of time, every cave has a story to tell. Indeed, Ha Long Bay is more than a destination. It's an experience of awe-inspiring landscapes, enchanting caves, and the lingering aura of ancient legends. Ha Long Bay, where legends come alive amidst emerald waters. Where Argentina and Brazil meet, water takes a majestic plunge, forming the awe-inspiring Iguazu Falls. The falls are a spectacle to behold, a roaring symphony of cascading waters that dances to the rhythm of nature's pulse. At an impressive height and covering an expanse that leaves you breathless, Iguazu Falls is a sight that imprints itself on your memory. For those with an adventurous spirit, the falls offer an adrenaline rush like no other. Imagine hopping onto a boat and steering towards the thunderous heart of the falls, feeling the mist on your face and the power of nature all around you. And for those who prefer a more tranquil experience, there are numerous trails leading to stunning vistas of the falls, where one can soak in the grandeur at a leisurely pace. The falls also present a vibrant ecosystem, teeming with diverse flora and fauna. It's not just about the water, it's about the life that thrives around it. Embrace the enchanting chorus of exotic birds, the rustling of leaves, and the subtle roar of the falls in the distance. Iguazu Falls, the epitome of nature's grandeur. This is a place where water doesn't just fall, it performs, it dances, and it tells a story of timeless beauty and power. A visit to Iguazu Falls is more than just a trip. It's an experience that stirs the soul and leaves you in awe of the wonders that nature can create. On the Indonesian archipelago, prehistoric creatures roam free on the rugged terrains of Komodo Island. A place where time seems to stand still, Komodo Island is home to the world's largest lizard, the Komodo dragon. These awe-inspiring creatures have roamed the earth for millions of years, a living testament to a time long past. But it's not just about these ancient reptiles. Komodo Island is a treasure trove of biodiversity, from its rich marine life to its lush tropical rainforests, each providing a unique habitat for a myriad of species. Here, one can truly experience the thrill of being on the front lines of wildlife exploration. It's an adventure that will keep your heart racing, whether you're trekking through the wild undergrowth, snorkeling amongst vibrant coral reefs, or standing face-to-face with a Komodo dragon. It's an experience that is as exhilarating as it is humbling, reminding us of the raw and untamed beauty of nature. Komodo Island, where every step takes you back in time. In the polar regions of our planet, the sky puts on a spectacle of lights, the mesmerizing Aurora. This natural light show is a ballet of colors, a silent symphony that paints the night sky. The Aurora, often referred to as northern or southern lights, is a celestial art show that's always unique, always enchanting. The phenomenon occurs when charged particles from the sun collide with the Earth's atmosphere. The result is a cascade of shimmering hues that dance across the sky, ranging from vibrant greens to deep purples. It's a spectacle that's as much a feast for the scientific mind as it is for the soul. For the travel enthusiast, witnessing the Aurora is a once-in-a-lifetime experience that belongs on every bucket list. It's a reminder of the endless wonders our world has to offer, a testament to the beauty of the universe. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or a novice adventurer, the Aurora is a spectacle that transcends boundaries, offering an experience that's as humbling as it is breathtaking. The Aurora, a celestial symphony that leaves you spellbound. A journey through the breathtaking wonders of our planet, each more enchanting than the last. We kicked off our journey in the Amazon, the green lungs of our planet, an ecosystem so vast and diverse that it's almost a world within a world. From the dense rainforest to the mighty Amazon River, it's an adventurer's paradise, teeming with life and bursting with color. Then, we set sail to Ha Long Bay, a seascape so surreal, it could have been carved by dragons. With thousands of limestone islands jutting out from the emerald waters, it's a sight that leaves one awestruck by its majestic beauty. Next, we were captivated by the grandeur of the Iguazu Falls, a spectacle of falling waters that's nothing short of monumental. Spanning the border of Argentina and Brazil, it's a place where you can feel the raw power and the soothing rhythm of nature in every drop of water. We journeyed back in time on Komodo Island, home to the largest living lizards on the planet. It's an island that's as fascinating as it is intimidating, a testament to the ancient and enduring power of nature. Finally, we gazed at the symphony of lights that is the Aurora. This natural light display in the Earth's sky is one of the most awe-inspiring sights one can ever witness. It's a cosmic ballet, a dance of lights that fills the night sky with colors more vibrant than a painter's palette. Our world is a treasure trove of natural wonders waiting to be explored. The question is, where will your next adventure be?